factory reset but stuck at the login screen, or bought a phone with the previous owner's account? Watch these for Vivo FRP bypass methods to unlock and use your device with confidence. Part 1. How to bypass Vivo FRP via Google Account Recovery. Go to Google Account Recovery, enter your email, and tap Try Another Way or Forgot Email. Verify your identity, use your recovery email or phone, then set a new password. Part 2. How to bypass Vivo FRP lock via Quick Shortcut Maker APK. Turn on your Vivo, connect to Wi-Fi, open network settings, and switch to static IP. Long press the screen, search for Quick Shortcut Maker, download and install the app. Open it, search for Google Account Manager, tap Try, then the 3 dots, and choose Browser Sign In. Log in with any Google account, restart the phone, finish setup, and the verification screen lets you through. Part 3. How to bypass Google FRP on Vivo with TFT Unlock Tool. Download and install TFT Unlock Tool on your Windows PC. Power off your Vivo device and connect it to the PC via USB cable. Boot the Vivo phone into fastboot or download mode. Open TFT Unlock Tool on your PC and select Vivo FRP Bypass or a similar option in the tool. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect your device and start the FRP removal process. Once the process is complete, restart your Vivo phone. Part 4. How to bypass Vivo FRP lock on PC worry-free. Want to remove Vivo FRP or other screen locks quickly? Android Lock Wiper lets you bypass FRP, pins, patterns, passwords, fingerprints, and Face IDs on Vivo and other Android devices using a Windows PC. Easy steps to bypass Google FRP on Vivo PC using Android Lock Wiper. Step 1. Launch the software. Download and install the program on your computer. Open it. Select Remove Google Lock FRP and choose Advanced Mode. Step 2. Connect your Vivo. Attach your Vivo phone to the PC via USB. Click Start and enter your device details. Follow the on-screen prompts to boot your phone into recovery mode. Step 3. Download package. Select the correct PDA, country, and carrier as directed. Then click Download to get the required data package. Step 4. Bypass FRP. Click Start to extract and follow the instructions to put your phone into download mode. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock and extract the firmware. The software will then begin unlocking the FRP lock on your Vivo device.